TikTok live streaming has become increasingly important for content creators, but network errors can disrupt your broadcasts. Understanding these errors and how to diagnose them is crucial for maintaining stable streams. The most common TikTok live streaming error is Wi-Fi connected but not working. This occurs when your device shows it's connected to Wi-Fi, but TikTok cannot establish a stable streaming connection to its servers. TikTok live streaming has specific technical requirements. You need a minimum upload speed of 3 megabits per second, though 5 or more is recommended. Latency should be under 50 milliseconds, with less than 5% packet loss for stability. Understanding your network infrastructure helps identify issues. Your internet connection flows from your ISP through a modem to your router, then to your devices. Problems can occur at any point in this chain, from insufficient bandwidth to firewall restrictions. Start diagnostics with TikTok's built-in network test feature, introduced in 2025. This tool tests your upload speed and latency specifically for TikTok's servers, providing more accurate results than generic speed tests. Ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version 32.x from 2025. Clear the app's cache and data to remove corrupted files, and restart your device to clear any memory issues that might affect streaming performance. Power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds. This clears temporary network issues and refreshes your connection. Consider switching to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for better performance, or use an Ethernet connection for maximum stability. DNS issues can prevent TikTok from connecting to its servers. Switch to public DNS servers like Google's 8.88.8 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1. These are often more reliable than your ISP's default DNS servers and can resolve connectivity problems. VPN services and security software can interfere with TikTok's streaming protocols. Disconnect from any VPN and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus real-time protection to test if they're causing the connection issues. Understanding network protocols helps with troubleshooting. TikTok uses both TCP for reliable data transmission and UDP for real-time streaming. Both protocols must be unblocked in your firewall settings for TikTok to function properly. These diagnostic steps will help you identify and resolve most network-related streaming issues. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve TikTok live streaming network errors, advanced network configuration becomes essential. The first critical step is implementing quality of service settings in your router to prioritize TikTok traffic over other network activities. Port forwarding is another crucial configuration step. TikTok requires specific ports to be open for optimal streaming performance. You need to forward TCP ports 443 and 80, as well as UDP ports 53 and 123 in your router settings. Wi-Fi band selection significantly impacts streaming performance. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds and less interference compared to the traditional 2.4 GHz band, making it ideal for live streaming applications. The 5 GHz band provides several advantages for live streaming: faster data transfer rates, reduced network congestion, and lower latency. However, it has shorter range, so ensure you're within optimal distance from your router. Regular network monitoring is essential for maintaining stable live streams. Perform weekly speed tests to ensure your connection meets TikTok's requirements of at least 3 megabits per second upload speed, with 5 megabits per second recommended for optimal quality. Implement a proactive monitoring schedule. Test your network weekly during your typical streaming hours, restart your router monthly to clear memory and refresh connections, and keep a log of performance metrics to identify patterns or degradation over time. Device optimization plays a crucial role in streaming stability. Close bandwidth-heavy applications running in the background ensure TikTok is updated to the latest version, and clear the app cache regularly to prevent memory-related streaming issues. Timing your streams strategically can significantly improve performance. Stream during off-peak hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. local time, when network congestion is lowest. If you experience consistent issues, contact your internet service provider to inquire about potential throttling of streaming traffic. Implement adaptive quality settings for optimal streaming performance. Start with lower video quality and gradually increase as your connection stabilizes. This approach prevents initial connection failures and allows you to find the optimal balance between quality and stability for your specific network conditions. By implementing these advanced solutions and best practices, you can significantly improve your TikTok live streaming reliability. Remember that network optimization is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring, proactive maintenance, and adaptive strategies based on your specific environment and usage patterns.